Hey there, explorers. Today we are going on an adventure to a world filled with feathers, songs, and amazing acrobatics. That's right, we are entering the incredible world of birds. Sparrow, tiny twitters. These common cheerful songbirds fill our cities with cuckoo. With a fondness for seeds and a habit of building nests, sparrows bring a touch of nature to our everyday lives. Eagle, king of skies. Flying high on a powerful wings, the eagle reigns supreme. With a keen eye and a sharp talons, this magnificent bird is a master hunter and a symbol of strength and freedom. The penguin, tuxedo torpedo. These flightless birds waddle on land but are graceful gliders underwater. Their black and white plumage and love for fish make them adorable and fascinating masters of the southern hemisphere. Flamingo, pink perfection. Standing tall on one leg, the flamingo's vibrant pink feathers turn heads. These social birds gracefully wade in shallow water, filtering food with their unique beaks. The hummingbird, Joan of the wing. These tiny wonders, the smallest birds in America, hover like helicopters. Their pleasuring feathers shimmer and their rapid wings create a humming sound as they sip nectar from the flowers. The pelican, poised perfection. Pelicans are comical on land with their waddling walk, but underwater they are impressive scoopers. Their enormous pouches hold surprising amounts of fish, making them masters of aquatic meals. The owl, silent hunters. Owls are masters of the night. With exceptional vision and hearing, they silently swoop down on the prey. Their swiveling heads offer a full view of their surroundings. Duck, quacking charmer. These common waterfowl are more than just pond decorations. With waterproof feathers, webbed feet for paddling, and a fondness for dabbling for food, ducks are perfectly adapted for the life on water. Falcons, feathered fighter jets. The falcon, a sleek predator, is nature's fighter jet. Blazing fast and agile, it hunts with precision, striking prey in mid-air dives. Swan, graceful giant, elegant and powerful. The swan glides across the water with its long neck and white plumage. These majestic birds are symbol of beauty and peace. Seagull, masters of the steel. With their sharp beaks and piercing calls, these coastal birds are capable of being both scavengers and hunters. Watch your fries, they are notorious for their daring food snatches. Geese, honking honker. Geese are large birds known for their loud honking calls. They are equally comfortable on land, water, or in air, making them adaptable and impressive aviators. The pigeon, city cooer. These plum birds, common in urban areas, are more than just sidewalk strutters. Pigeons are intelligent social creatures with excellent homing abilities. They have been messengers and symbols of peace throughout the history. Parrot, chatty champions. Parrots, with their vibrant colors and impressive ability to mimic sounds, are intelligent birds known for their playful personalities. These talkative charmers have captivated people for centuries. The toucan, rainbow beak bonanza. Known for their massive colorful beak, toucans are rainforest dwellers with a vibrant personality. These tropical birds use their beaks for reaching fruit, scaring off predators, and even attracting males. Crow, feathered trickster. The crow, with its jet black coat and sharp wit, is a clever opportunist. Known for mimicry and problem solving, this brainy bird thrives in both city and country. Magpie, misunderstood mimic. Magpies, with their striking black and white plumage, are intelligent songbirds with a talent for mimicry. Despite their reputation as the mischievous thieves, they are actually quite social and even hold funerals for deceased folk members. Robin, cheerful songster. The robin, with its reddish breast and bright song, is a beloved symbol of spring. These familiar birds are active year-round, hopping on lawns and filling our backyards with their cheerful melodies. Blue jay, the bold and beautiful bandit. This rowdy bird, with its vibrant blue plumage and loud calls, is a common sight in North America. A clever opportunist, the blue jay is both admired for its beauty and known for its thievery and bird feeders. Cardinal, songbird in scarlet. Winter landscapes are brightened by the vibrant red color of the cardinal. These songbirds are known for their beautiful melodies and offer loyalty to their mates, making them a symbol of passion and devotion. A big thank you to everyone watching. Your support means a lot. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Happy birding!